In this lesson, we'll still explore how to create navigation buttons. But the navigation button we're dealing with today is much more complicated and challenging. Usually, a navigation button is only made of a single line text. But take a look at these examples. To the left side of the clickable text, there's an icon image. Most importantly, the icon image is clickable as well. We'll create this new kind of navigation using two methods. There's no need to compare which one is better. You should master them both. Let's first start with the simple one. First, we create a hyperlink using the A tag. Next, we display the icon image. Most icons are displayed using the background property, not the IMG tag. The I tag was originally developed to italicize fonts, but CSS has now made that obsolete. Now, the I tag has been given a new job, displaying icons. Sometimes, the font tag will also be used to display icons. Now, the icon image is ready as well. What should we do next? The whole area is clickable, including the icon image. Naturally, the most simple solution would be putting the icon image into the A tag. We put the I tag before the clickable text. Refresh the page and we can see that the icon image is displayed in the first line, and the clickable text is on the second line. OK, let's click pause and stop for a second. Take a look at the program again. Remember, at the beginning of our course, we said we should avoid leaving any text unwrapped. At first glance, the clickable text seems to be wrapped in the A tag, but the problem is we've moved the I tag into the A tag. Therefore, in the eyes of the I tag, the clickable text is unwrapped. Therefore, you're highly recommended to wrap the clickable text in span tags. Our next challenge is to move the clickable text to the same line with the icon image. Now, attention here, in HTML code, the icon image is defined before the clickable text. So, do you have any idea about how to move the clickable text to the same line with the icon image? The clickable text is wrapped in a span tag. The I tag, however, has been converted into block type. In our float lessons, we've explored what would happen if we put a floated element before normal flow inline or inline block elements. Do you still remember the result? If you don't, review the previous lessons. The solution would be setting float left to the converted I tag. At this moment, we only have one problem to solve: aligning the clickable text to the vertical center of the icon image. Assigning vertical align to the icon image will not work. If you still don't know why, review previous lessons. So, how do we move align the icon image and text? Actually, in the future, you will often need to align text to the vertical center of an image. But for many times, the image is displayed using the background property, not the IMG tag. Therefore, vertical align will not work. So what should we do? Well, such situation usually requires help from the parent div. The converted A tag here actually has been working as the parent div. Its height is actually the same as the icon image. This also means that the icon image is placed in the vertical center of the converted A tag. We've learned that if you want to move a single line text to the vertical center of a div, line height is the best choice. Therefore, if we want to align the clickable text in the icon image, we just need to set its line height to the same value as the icon image's height.